In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Control Center in macOS. We can access this by default as it appears here in the top right of our screen, and once clicking it, we'll get a familiar sight for those who use iPhones. So as you can see from here, I can access my Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth, AirDrop for sharing files, my Do Not Disturb if I want to relax, my keyboard brightness settings, my screen mirroring settings, my display brightness settings, my sound, and what song will be playing. I can also choose to AirPlay a song if I'm listening to it from here. To customize this, we need to go to our system preferences, and from here we select dock and menu bar. And as you can see, we've got our options for our control center and what appears there. If we wanted to add another thing to our control center, such as maybe our battery, we can click on it and add it here, and you'll see it'll pop up now in our control center at the bottom if we want a more accurate look at the percentage, because as you can see by default on macOS, it doesn't show until we click it. It's heavily customizable, and I would recommend you use it for things such as Wi-Fi if you're out and about, as it's a handy little shortcut to access all these helpful connectivity options. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on cloud solutions, IT support, Office 365, and many more services.